8 Amazing health benefits of quinoa. Quinoa is one of the healthy foods that have high nutrients, and therefore, in addition to consumption, there are many health benefits of quinoa that can be used to improve the health of the human body. In Andean area, Colombia, quinoa is a popular crop which is consumed as a staple food after potatoes because quinoa contains a high carbohydrate which could replace the carbohydrates found in potatoes. In the Indian tribes, quinoa is a food that has long been used as a staple food. The Inca tribes called quinoa as chisaya, mom, or the mother of all grains, and quinoa is sacred food for them. How much nutrition in quinoa for health? Quinoa contained variations within a variety of nutrients such as proteins. Quinoa has complete protein including amino acids with a proper balance, so that makes quinoa as one of the highest healthy food of non-animal source of protein in the world. And other nutrients in quinoa include vitamin B complex, E, carbohydrate, fiber, magnesium, potassium, and sodium. So here is health benefits of quinoa that want to know. At the time it would consume, quinoa seeds or grains should be washed thoroughly until the water is clear. This is done so that causes a sense of bitter or saponins that found in quinoa seeds can be removed, so that quinoa seeds can be eaten without a bitter taste in the mouth. Quinoa grains can be consumed as similar to eat rice, cereal, or processed into bread and other pastries. Quinoa leaves can also be eaten as a vegetable or salad, and because quinoa is rich in nutrients, then there are also many health benefits of quinoa for the human body, and 8 health benefits of quinoa are as follows. 1. Growth and regeneration of body cells. Complete protein content of quinoa is useful to help the growth of the body to run properly, and this protein is useful also to replace damaged cells in the body. The content of amino acid lysine in quinoa is beneficial to the process of formation and healing body. 2. Minimize exposed migraines and headaches. Other health benefit of quinoa comes from magnesium. The content of magnesium in the quinoa is useful to help smooth the blood circulation, and prevent constriction of blood vessels so as to minimize the occurrence of migraine. And content of riboflavin, vitamin B2, contained in the quinoa is useful to increase muscle energy metabolism in the brain too. 3. Maintain cardiovascular health. The content of magnesium is useful also to maintain the quality and smoothness of blood flow in the body. The content of magnesium in quinoa able to meet the daily requirement of magnesium levels needed by the body, thereby reducing the risk of the body affected by hypertension, ischemic heart disease, and cardiac arrhythmia. 4. Minimize heart attack. Fibers contained in the quinoa give quinoa benefits to reduce the body is exposed to hypertension and heart attack, and therefore consume quinoa as a food for breakfast is a good thing to do. 5. Maintain women post-menopause health. From the results of research conducted on women post-menopause, have shown that eating quinoa can help to slow the progression of atherosclerosis, or the buildup of plaque that narrows blood vessels, and also inhibits the process of vessel diameter stenosis, that is a narrowing of the arteries. And for women who have passed menopause, that are strongly advised to consume quinoa in order to minimize high cholesterol, high blood pressure, or cardiovascular disorders symptoms that they experience. 6. Prevent the formation of gallstones. High fiber in quinoa give the health benefit of quinoa to prevent the formation of gallstones, because fiber can help to reduce the occurrence of triglycerides or blood fats, bile acid secretion, or the excessive amounts that can lead to the formation of gallstones, and improve insulin sensitivity. This is consistent with the results of research that has been released by the American Journal of Gastroenterology. The consumption of foods with high fiber can prevent the formation of gallstones. 7. Protects against breast cancer. The fiber content in quinoa is also beneficial for reducing breast cancer, and based on research results from the UK Women's Cohort Study says fiber can help reduce the risk of breast cancer. For premenopausal women who consumed cereals and fruits regularly have 52% lower risk for breast cancer. 8. As an antioxidant. The content of copper and manganese minerals in quinoa is other health benefits of quinoa that is useful as a cofactor for the formation of the enzyme superoxide dismutase, that are antioxidants that help protect mitochondria from oxidation damage that occurs during the body's energy production. This enzyme is useful also to keep the cells such as red blood cells from damage caused by free radicals. With so many health benefits of quinoa as the above information, it is appropriate to make quinoa as one kind of healthy foods that are consumed regularly for the body to stay healthy and strong.